Hello, good morning students. Sem 1 English. We already seen some chapters and completed our grammar topics in English. Now we go ahead about our left syllabus in which there is a story. Actually it is not a story but it is an article that was written on the very famous name Steve Jobs. As we heard the name now, at that time, some inspiration, some courage, some strength awake in our heart. Some names are so big that the inspiration is automatically connected with the name when we hear that name, when we speak that name. It's the same way Steve Jobs, the name, when we hear that, when we talk about that, our body, our mind, our soul, all are getting inspirations by him. In India, if I talk about an Indian people, as we hear the name of Gandhiji, at that time, the inspiration automatically awake in our mind. It's the same way. Just a minute please. It's the same way when we hear the name of Swami Vivekanand, when we hear the name of Narendra Modi, when we hear the name of Nelson Mandela, when we hear the name of Abraham Lincoln, that names are automatically connected with the inspiration. It is good that their names are connected with the inspiration. But ever you thought about that? How their name are become inspiration for all over the world, not over for a particular country, not over for the particular region, but their name are connected with inspiration all over the world. How? Is it easy that our name become connected with the inspiration or a courage or a strength for someone? No. They have to struggle a lot. They have to doing so much work in their life, they suffered a lot, and that get a name with inspiration. It is connected. As we talk about Gandhiji, as you know that the freedom movement started with the very small place at the Sabarmati ashram, and then the moment gone and gone and gone, and one day we get freedom. It's the same way. Every person whose name are connected with inspiration, all the men or a woman, a human being, suffered a lot in their work. As you know that you already learnt a story, the black boy, Richard, right? How he suffered in his young age. As you know that Charlie Chaplin, he suffered a lot in his childhood, and then after he got a name, and today with very courage, with very inspiration, we tell his name that Charlie Chaplin. Oh my God. So today we are talk about Steve Jobs. As I speak the name, a first thing that come into your mind is an Apple phone or a tablet or an iPod. Yes, Steve Jobs connected with the Apple company. How he connected with it? Is it easy for him to connect with it? To found that a big company whose name is very famous in all over the world? No. It is not easy for him. He had to suffer a hard. He tried hard. He worked hard for that. And not only in a one chance he get that success. He tried in a one time and then get his success. No, it's not like that. He tried hard as the web. As you ever see that when a web started to bounding his nets, he fell and up and down, he fall and then go ahead and then make a nest. It's the same way Steve Jobs make his nest with very, very, very efforts. Not in a one effort he get that success. Let's start. Who was Steve Jobs? So first I tell you that I want to tell you about Steve Jobs' childhood. He was a child of single mother. Actually, he was child of single mother. How? So I want to tell you that his mother became a mom without marrying. It means she was not married with anyone but became mother. So she want to give his child to someone. She find a family, a very rich family, to give his child, and the family also want to adopt Steve was at that time. But the very last moment, at the very previous time, the family adopted a girl child. What was happen after that? Then her mother, it means his mother, sorry, Steve Jobs' mother found a lady. It found our parents who want to adopt Steve Jobs. They are not very rich, but they promised to Steve Jobs' mother that we are upbringing and give full education to your child, and they completed their promise too. They adopted Steve Jobs at that time with a very care and nutrition, very pampered. They upbringing, they grew up the Steve Jobs, and after when Steve Jobs went into the college, he completed his school and went into the college. At that time, they cannot afford his child to get that higher education in which they cannot afford that. Actually, his father, who adopted Steve Jobs at that time, who was an engineer, and from there Steve Jobs has interested to work with the tools, work with that instruments. They cannot afford their higher education, their college education, and then what was happened? How Steve Jobs reached at the Apple, that we will see into this video. Let's see that. As I told you that magnified digital age, when we talk about the digital age, when we talk about the media, as the name come, Zuckerberg, who founded the Facebook. It's the same way when we talk about the digital age, some names are coming into our mind. Digitalization is a process of converting information into a digital format. The result is the representation of an object, image, sound, document or signal by generating a series of numbers that describes a discrete set points or samples. About Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs, who was born on Steve Jobs, who was born on 24th February 1955 at US, United States. Then he died in 5th October 2011 in US only. He was married with Lawrence Powell. He get education in the Reed College. His children's names are Lisa Brella Jobs, Eve Jobs, Reed Jobs and Erin Spina Jobs. In his life, he told a sentence, and the sentence was very famous. He told that, "I will die very soon, remember." And he did that. He was die very soon. But he did some kind of work that we remind today also. His work remembered us, his reminding, his existence. Let's start. The man who magnified digital age, who completely changed the digitalization. This is an expert from newspaper article on Steve Jobs. Actually, it is not biography or not an autobiography, but it was an article that I already told you. And the article written in a newspaper of US about the Steve Jobs after his death. Actually, they want to give him tribute, and that's why they published, they printed that article. It was written soon after Steve Jobs passed away in the year 2011 when he was dead. After that, the article was written. The article described his success and how he changed the face of technology with one of the biggest brands, Apple in. The article that describe his success, it means whatever he did in his life and how he changed the face of technology, completely changed it with one of the biggest brand, Apple. Steve Paul Jobs, his full name. Was an American entrepreneur and business magnate. He started his career as a businessman. He was the chairman, chief executive officer and co-founder of Apple. A very big name. When we speak that name Apple now, some kind of vibrations coming into our body or our mind, because Apple is the name only which was connected with the brand only. So he was not only co-founder of Apple, but he was also a chairman and chief executive officer of the Apple. He was born on February 24th, 1955 in San Francisco, and he was dead in 5th October 2011 at Palo Alto, California. He died due to pancreatic cancer. Actually, he had a cancer, and that's why he was died. Steve Jobs and Wozniak, his companion name. Co-founder of Apple in 1976. They both started a company which name is an Apple, and they started the company in 1976 to sell Wozniak's Apple, a personal computer. At that time, personal computer is out of mind, out of style. Together, they gained fame and wealth. A year later, for an Apple II at that time. They started another instrument, Apple II. Steve Jobs was a visionary co-founder of Apple who helped users in era of personal computers and then led to cultural transformation through music, movies, mobile, communication on personal computer and smartphone. As I told you that Steve Jobs was co-founder of Apple, who helped uses the era, it means who completely changed that decade at that time. And the person who used computer, Steve Jobs, started to them use the personal computer. Then he go ahead about the cultural transformation through music, movie, mobile communication and personal computer and smartphone also. Jobs and his high school friend Stephen Hawking that I told you worked together after founding Apple. Mr. Jobs led the team that designed the Macintosh computer. He was separated from Apple for 12 years but returned to it in 1997. I told you the story. He oversaw the creation of iPod, iPhone and iPad. This changed the face of computer technology. Actually, as I told you that their parents cannot afford the college education of Steve Jobs. At that time, he worked hard to completed his education. He washed cars, he lived in a very small place on the road or in a friend's house. He eat on a public places where it was the food was given freely. He worked very hard, but he cannot collected the money that was the fees of that college, and that's why he thought that I cannot burden it on my parents, and he left his college. When he was left his college, he started a new company with himself, with his efforts, with his friend Wozniak, and started to make the software. At that time, then he connected with the Apple. When he connected with the Apple, his knowledge was so profound that he make many instruments, many new things on the Apple software. And one day, he was leave out of the Apple. The chairman of the Apple told him that we do not need you. We did not need you. At that time, it was a very bad time, it was a very tough time for you when you work hard for something, when you work hard for someone and they rejected you, tell you that we don't need you anymore. But he was Steve Jobs. In the very first line I told you that when a person suffered a lot, when a person tried a lot, then after he can become very successful and his name become inspiration. Then after he started his own company, he started many software for himself, and one day after 12 years, Apple again called him, they pardoned to him, and again he started Apple. When he started again an Apple after 12 years, at that time Apple make many modules, many technological things, about 250. At that time, Steve Jobs stopped everything, every technological things, and he started his new business to make the iPhone. And today you know that what is the famousness of iPhone, what is the new thing about the iPhone. Let's see that. He oversaw the creation of iPod, iPhone and iPad at that time when he again joined the company Apple. and these change completely changed the whole person life, whole world actually. During the years he was outside Apple, he had bought a tiny computer graphics spin-off from director of George Lucas and built a team of computer scientists, artists and animators. During the years outside at Apple, it means when he was not connected with the Apple company at that time, he bought a tiny computer graphics with himself, spin-off from the director of George, and built a team of computer scientists. With many computer scientists, he makes some things, artists and animators. He created the Pixar animation, which is very famous today also. Studio which produced a string of hit movies, winning several academic awards. Mr. Jobs was not a hardware engineer nor a software engineer. Actually, he has not getting the knowledge of hardware or a software. He was neither getting education about the hardware nor getting education about the software, though he was successful to make the graphics, animations and many softwares in his life. He considered himself a technological leader. Apple's name was unconventional. He offered not just product but digital lifestyle. He offered not about the product but also the digital lifestyle. Steve Jobs was adopted by Paul and Clara Jobs, his mother and father name. Mother name Clara. His biological parents were Johnny Carlon Skadial and Abdul Fattah Zindili. In 1975, he and Wozniak pioneered the personal computing. As I told you that his biological parents are different. He was adopted by Paul Jobs and Clara Jobs. His real mother name was Johnny Carlon and his real father name Abdullah Fattah Zindali. In 1975, he started a personal computer company with his friend. Wozniak designed original Apple I computer, it is called I. Jobs thought that it would be a commercial product. In 1976, 1975, started a company on computering. 1976, he and Wozniak, his friend, invested only $1,300 and started the production of Apple. A former Intel executive, AC, Markula lent them $250,000 at that time to start a company. And who gave them? Markula. lend, it means give money to him, 2,50,000 US dollar. Wozniak worked as a technical half and Steve Jobs as a marketing half. Wozniak worked on a technical half because he has a profound knowledge of technology, and Steve Jobs has a profound knowledge of marketing. So he worked on a marketing time, and Wozniak, whose friend, worked on a technological mind. They started their work in a family garage in Los Altos, but moved the company to a small office in Cupertino soon. Actually, they started a very small company in a home garage only, but when they extend it, when the work is going increasing, at that time they moved their company into the Cupertino. 1 million equal to 10 lakh, 10 million equal to 1 crore. So remind that. Apple started selling the iPhone in June 2007. Started to sell the iPhone in 2007. Apple phone. The first Apple phone launched in 2007. His goal was sell 10 million handset in 2008. In a 1 year, their goal was that they have to sell 10 million. 1 million equal to 10 lakh, so 10 million equal to crore. One crore phone in a 1 year, and as you know that Apple phone is costly than the normal phone, normal smartphone, and they dreamed that, they targeted that they have to sell 1 crore phone in a year only. But the company sold 11.6 million, it means more than the target. End of 2010. By end of 2010, and the company had sold almost 19 million units. It was the very big achievement, not only for the Steve Jobs but his friend Wozniak also. Yes. Today we learn about Steve Jobs' journey in his life, what he did, how he did, and we hope also that we did something, that kind of work. Our name also got with the inspiration, connected with the inspirations. At least our society only, not only for the world, but at least we did something, that kind of work, that our name connected with our society only, with our family only, with inspirations. Have a nice day.